In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line to candlestick in TradingView. If your chart is showing a simple line and you want the richer detail that candlesticks provide, this is a quick and easy change. Candlesticks let you see the open, high, low, and close for each period, along with momentum and volatility at a glance. So it's a great upgrade from a basic line. Start by looking at the top right area of your chart. You'll find a small chart type icon sitting directly to the left of the indicators button. This icon is the one you'll use to switch how your data is displayed. Give that icon a click. The moment you do, a menu will appear with a list of chart styles you can apply to your current symbol. This is TradingView's chart type selector, and it includes familiar options you might recognize, along with a few specialized styles for different analysis preferences. In that list, look for the option labeled Candle or Candlesticks, depending on your layout theme. Select it with a single click. As soon as you choose it, your chart will refresh and the display will switch from the single line to full candlesticks. There's nothing else you need to do. Your data hasn't changed, only the way it's being visualized. From here, you can immediately read more from each bar. The body of a candle shows where price opened and closed for the selected time frame, while the thin wicks mark the highs and lows reached during that period. Typically, an up candle is shown in a lighter or green color, and a down candle is shown in a darker or red color. This instantly gives you a clearer sense of direction and volatility than a line can provide. A few quick reminders as you get comfortable with the new look. Changing the chart type does not alter your time frame, your symbol, or your indicators. It only changes the visual style. If you ever want to compare styles, you can click that same chart icon again and switch back to line just as easily. Also, if you're not seeing the menu right away, double check that you're clicking the icon directly to the left of the indicators button in the top right area of the chart. And that's all there is to it. Click the chart icon, choose from the list, select candles, and you're done. Enjoy the added clarity that candlesticks bring to your analysis, and use that visual detail to make more informed trading decisions.